What's going on, everybody? The Germ here. As you can see, I'm at a vehicle charging station for electric vehicles. I am currently charging my car. Just started the charging session. Came here yesterday, charged up for a little bit on one of these chargers. This one's free. This is a level 3, a free level 3. And I was parked right here. So there's a couple spots over here. Four parking spots, 2 charging stations. So I was parked right here, and another car was parked where my car is in that other spot, and then this spot right here was empty. So I plugged in my car over here where this gray car is, and then a big SUV came over, and it was very windy yesterday, and parked right here in the middle. It was a Rivian, one of those big, expensive SUV trucks. I think it was a RST1 or something like that. It was like an 80,000 plus truck, MSRP, parked next to me. And I was telling the guy how slow these chargers were, and he was having a little bit of a problem with the infrastructure in getting it to activate. So I was parked right here where this car is. I was other car parked here because that one was being used over here that we're plugged in now, not to confuse everybody. And very windy day. He was going back and forth between his car and the charger. Decided for some odd reason to leave his door open. And I've never seen somebody, when there's 3 cars here, like 2 cars charging and 1 waiting, park right here in the middle. Usually someone just like waits off to the side or something like that. Guy parked in the middle. He walks out to the charger, walks back to his car, then walks back to the charger, then walks back to the car, and then the last time he walked away from the car, he left the door open. Now, when you open your door, there's this little, like, kind of on the hinge, it just stops, but it can still open. So he did one of those. And I'm watching a video on my phone, trying to waste some time, and all of a sudden I hear this bang, and I said, oh, F. I go outside of my car, his door is wedged against my car door. I'm like, you gotta be freaking kidding me, man. I was like, why would you leave your door open? You know, why would you leave your door open, dude? It's so windy today. There was like a wind advisory. Everybody knew that there was a wind advisory, but the guy decided to leave his door open. Banged his door right into my car. So I'm going to show you guys what the damage looks like. It's actually not that bad. It doesn't look bad. You guys might not even be able to see it because my car is white. His Rivian was black, and it was weird. It was the total opposite of today. Today is very cold. Today's very warm. Yesterday was very cold and windy. There's like almost virtually no wind today. So let's go take a look at my car. It's probably going to be very hard to tell. So I don't know. Oh, you might be able to see it. So you have to see this from an angle. So you could kind of see it. It's right there. Do you guys see that? So I go over, and my shadow's kind of messing this up. Do you guys see it? There you go. So I go over to the body shop yesterday, and I get an estimate on this repair. Now, Germs tries to be pretty smart about this. I get a copy of his insurance card, I got his phone number, all that stuff. I decided not to do any kind of incident or accident report because I don't want a bad Carfax over a door ding, because that could lower the value of your vehicle by literally thousands of dollars. So I decided not to call the police. We've been going back and forth. I just want to see if there's any personal. Yes, there is personal information on here. So let's do this. Okay, you guys ready for this? How much do you think that little door ding cost? So that door ding, and it's scratched the paint, hard to tell. You ready? You'll never guess this. Guess below before I show you guys this. This is crazy. So that little door ding and some paint, $1,480, $1,480, $1,500 for that. So I send that to him. When he first saw that, and he's like, oh, I'm so sorry. And he's like, oh, that will buff out. I'm like, dude, what are you talking about? There's a freaking dent in my car. There's a dent in the car. Dents don't buff out. I was like, here, feel this. And you know, the mirror folded in. Just like, that will buff out. Unreal. 100% that will not buff out. That is a dent or a ding. And we're gonna see how it plays out. But I already went to the one body shop. I got an estimate. That estimate under $1,500, which was crazy. It was crazy to me. It's crazy to him. We're gonna see if he wants to pay for it, go through his insurance company. I'm gonna go ahead and get a second opinion on my day off this week, and see where they come back to fix that. But you know, the carelessness of people, I always tell my daughter, when you get out of the car, watch the door, especially if you park next to somebody. We go shopping or the mall or parking lot, whatever, you know, watch the door. Why would you leave your door open? So, yeah, what a fun day yesterday was. Well, let me know if this has ever happened to you. This is the first time it's ever happened to me. I'm lucky that I was in the vehicle when this happened, because I think there would have been a 50-50 shot at whether or not, if I was not in the car, whether the person would have stayed there or not and said, hey, I dented your car. Because it was on the passenger side. I never probably would have noticed, because I would have gotten my car on the driver's side and I wouldn't have caught it. So thank God I was in the car to catch this. Let me know in the comments below if this has ever happened to you. First time it's happened to me. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.